Data cleaning is not scary. I'm Susan Walsh, the classification guru, and I fix dirty data. I am so happy to contribute to this Data is Not Scary series, and I have not one but two tips for you. And the first one is make sure your data has its coat on. So that means, first of all, it's got to be C for consistent. You have to use the same terminology, the same date formats, the same everything, to make sure that everyone's working in the same way. Then it needs to be organised, and that means categorising it or labelling it so that you can find it easily when you need it. And of course it's A for accuracy, so make sure that that data is as accurate as it possibly can be. And once you have your consistency, your organisation and your accuracy, you then have trustworthy data. And by doing that, that makes the whole process of cleaning data far less scary. And in addition to that, it's not good enough to put the data coat on your data, you have to keep it on. So my top tip is maintain data. Look at it regularly, depending on the size and volume of data, it could be monthly, quarterly, but don't leave it too long, otherwise you will end up with a really, really scary mess.